The Vigo County Sheriff's Office has announced that 102 inmates, plus 2 correctional officers, have tested positive for COVID-19. These results come after an inmate died at the jail on Friday, who also tested positive for the virus.
Demetrius Sanders is live in our newsroom. He joins us now with reaction from Sheriff John Plassey and from community members who are concerned with the jail's handling of COVID. Demetrius.
Well, Mike Sadie, demonstrators I spoke with believe the Vigo County Jail is not properly protecting its inmates from COVID. But Sheriff Plassey says up until recently, he believes his staff did do a good job. But like many other facilities, the virus is now creating some challenges. Wednesday evening, the sound of car horns filled the air surrounding the Vigo County Jail. This noise created by protesters concerned with COVID-19's impact within the facility.
It's bad enough I have to call my mother and tell her that her son is in jail again, but I don't want to have to make a phone call saying, well, he's not safe now.
These demonstrations come after inmate Frederick Whitlock died at the Vigo County Jail on Friday.
Say his name.
Fred Whitlock. After his death, Whitlock then tested positive for COVID-19. Some protesters say they believe not enough is being done to prevent the spread of the virus, and on Wednesday provided a list of demands.
Our demands tonight are to secure an independent investigation from an agency outside the Sheriff's Department into the death of Frederick Whitlock, to provide for a full autopsy of Frederick Whitlock at a facility that is conducting autopsies of COVID-positive patients.
In terms of the death, Sheriff John Plassey says his staff put forth every effort during their response.
The guards were there. They responded immediately, contacted ambulance to get here, and unfortunately all our efforts were in vain. There was nothing that we could do.
Following notification that Whitlock was positive, Plassey says all staff and inmates were then tested for COVID. The results show that 102 additional inmates were also positive, representing around 30% of the jail population. 2 staff members also contracted the virus.
We've been overcrowded for years. That's a significant contributing factor. We can't afford to social distance. We don't have the space.
In late August, Plassey says a mandate required his staff to wear masks, but he says inmates were not due to advice from health officials.
The guidance we received was if we mask everybody all the time, it's going to lead to respiratory issues with the inmates.
Since Friday, inmates have now been given masks, but the sheriff says the choice to wear one still remains with the individual. According to Plassey, to prevent further outbreak, the State Department of Health has advised the jail to lock down all inmates and group positive cases together.
We're going to try to minimize or eliminate any future spread of what we have now, and try to isolate that, and hopefully the ones that don't have it yet won't get it.
Now, the Vigo County coroner says at this time, the cause of death for Frederick Whitlock has not been determined. She also says Whitlock did not receive an internal autopsy due to the county and state not having the proper facility required during the pandemic. Sadie?